Jason, you did this. You've done the survey, right?
I
the
did.
Top Shop survey. You did it this year.
First time.
Okay,
Yeah,
and then
first time.
you've done it a few times, right, Jamie?
Yep.
Yeah. What has that experience been like for you? Like, I mean, I know what it's been for me and getting the report back, and being able to take that data and look at where I compare.
Yeah. Well, I think the biggest thing for us, it was like kind of a anxious nervousness of like, okay, we've submitted all our information. What does it look like coming back? Where do we rank? And there's areas that we felt like we're doing pretty well, but then when you look at it compared, maybe we weren't. There were other
Right.
areas that were like, we felt like we maybe were middle of the road and we were excelling. And so I think what it helped us to do is identify areas that we needed to work on, areas that we needed to improve on, and then other areas that we need to continue to push as well.
Right.
So really just bringing the bar up all the way, not just one side or the other, but making sure we're pushing the whole company forward.
Yeah.
And I think that's actually the mark of a good shop right there, is somebody who's curious, like, where do I stand first and foremost?
Yeah.
And then, like, how am I going to take where I stand and actually do something with it and keep evolving and elevating? Because so many people, I think, want to bury their head in the sand and not understand, okay, how do I keep lifting up my business?
Right. And I mean, it's difficult because, like you mentioned, you're trying to work in the business, but then you've got to work on the business. And those two things are very, very difficult, or very different, really. And balancing those can be difficult. So having the systems in place, having the software in place, having the SOPs
Finding
in place.
great employees to work for you.
Finding great employees.
Like this guy over
This
here.
guy. But yeah, I mean, it's all part of that core values, culture, and then making sure that the people in the business also carry that same culture. Like, that's really critical to that elevation.
I mean, I think what we're all talking about, right, is operational excellence.
Yeah.
And what that looks like in a small shop, especially if you got shops where the owner or the leaders of the company are actually in the mix doing the work day to day
Right.
too. So it's how do you make sure you have your right targets, you're achieving them, you're setting strategic goals for your team, and then, kind of getting the buy-in of all your team members, right? Because you want to create that culture.